I used to think color was decoration, something pleasant. Azuria disagreed. Here, color is history. Each hue the result of 1 billion years of pressure, heat, time. The patterns aren't designed. They're earned. Standing inside them, I understood for the first time that beauty isn't made. It accumulates, slowly, over an unimaginable amount of time. The Ambric Plateau is the oldest place on Azuria, the first surface to form when the planet cooled 4 billion years ago. The amber color locked into its stone in that first moment has not changed since. Every shade of gold visible here is a different temperature memory. The deepest burnt amber at the center, the very first solid thing that ever existed on this world. 500 million years ago, the floor of what is now the Violith Basin collapsed into an underground deposit of violite, Azuria's rarest mineral. Violite absorbs every wavelength of light except deep violet, which it reflects back, amplified. Over 500 million years, every surface in the basin has been stained in every shade of violet. 1 billion years ago, a single organism in this region produced a bioluminescent light of precise emerald green. Every shade of green visible here, from pale mint in the youngest growth to deep forest green in the oldest trees, is a variation on that original organism's light. One beautiful thing proving so successful that everything around it eventually joined in. 200 million years ago, it rained crimson here for 10,000 years. The pale blush in the shallow soil is the beginning. Sparse, just starting. The deep scarlet in the ancient rock is the peak, the 10,000th year of fall. The soft rose at the surface is the end, the rain concluding, leaving behind everything painted in every shade it fell in. 3 billion years ago, a shallow sea began evaporating from this region. It took 50 million years to evaporate completely. As it did, the crystallite mineral in its water precipitated out and grew, molecule by molecule, into the crystal formations visible here today. The purest white is the most complete crystallization, 50 million years of uninterrupted growth. The star patterns of the Stellara plains were guided by Azuria's magnetic field at the precise moment of each crystal's formation. The field lines dictating the number and angle of every arm with mathematical precision. Every star pattern on the Stellara plains is a geological record of the magnetic force that shaped it. Not just beautiful. The complete magnetic history of a planet, written in the language of stars. 800 million years ago, an enormous lava flood covering millions of square kilometers cooled simultaneously. As it contracted, it cracked, and the cracks followed the lines of least stress, which mathematics has always known are hexagonal. The hexara flats are not just beautiful. They are proof that mathematics was operating long before anyone was here to notice it. 2 billion years ago, the magma chamber beneath the Vortara region began turning. It has not stopped. Every geological formation in this region, every rock, every crystal, every river has been shaped by 2 billion years of that same slow rotation. The Vortara region is a 2 billion year record of what happens when a force turns continuously in the same direction. Everything it touches eventually becomes a spiral. 1 billion years ago, an underground pressurized gas deposit forced its way upward through the Sferrera field at thousands of simultaneous points. The largest bubbles formed where the pressure was greatest, the smallest where it was least. The Sferrera fields are the record of a single moment of equal pressure in every direction, preserved as spheres of every possible size in ancient rock. The tidal pull of Azuria's moons on the Andara plains have shaped everything. Rock, water, atmosphere, biology. into every possible expression of wave geometry. Standing waves frozen in stone. Traveling waves in water still moving after 3 billion years. The Andara Plains are not a landscape. They are a 3 billion year record of what happens when these special moons share the same space.